Welcome everyone. Today we're taking a close look at the BPSSDI 0 to 30 Psi Glycerin liquid-filled low-pressure gauge. This is a 2.5-inch dial instrument with a 1/4-inch MPT lower mount and a 304 stainless steel case, designed for measuring pressure in water pipes, HVAC systems, and for water, oil, or air pressure testing. If you need a reliable low-pressure gauge that can handle vibration in tough environments, this might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's start with the key features. The wetted parts are made from brass and stainless steel, which means it's built to handle non-corrosive liquids and gases like water and oil. The glycerin filling is a standout. It inhibits pointer flutter and protects the internal mechanics from vibration and pulsation. That's a huge plus if you're working with pumps or compressors where needles can dance erratically. The dual-scale display shows Psi and bar with a 2.5% accuracy rating, which is solid for general-purpose testing. The gauge is also weather and temperature resistant, working in environments from -40°C to 70°C. And installation is straightforward thanks to the 1/4-inch MPT threads and the included adhesive tape. In real-life scenarios, this gauge performs admirably. I tested it on a residential water line and a small air compressor setup. The glycerin filling made the needle steady even when the pump kicked on, giving me clear, readable pressure readings. The 2.5-inch dial is large enough to read from a short distance, and the dual scale is convenient for switching between units without mental math. The stainless steel case feels robust, and the brass internals inspire confidence for long-term use. It's a no-fuss tool that does its job quietly. Now, a balanced view. Advantages include the glycerin fill for vibration dampening, corrosion-resistant materials, and a wide operating temperature range. The included tape makes mounting a breeze. However, there are drawbacks. The 2.5% accuracy is fine for general testing, but if you need precision for critical systems, you might want a higher-grade gauge. Also, the lower mount design can be limiting if you need a panel mount or rear entry. And while the glycerin is great, some users report eventual leakage if the gauge is overpressured or stored improperly. Comparing it to similar products, many budget gauges skip the glycerin fill, leaving the needle bouncing annoyingly. The BPSSDI's liquid fill puts it ahead of standard dry gauges in the same price range. Alternatives like the Wika or Ashcroft offer better accuracy, 1% or higher, but cost significantly more. For the money, this gauge is a solid middle ground, better than cheap hardware store models, but without the premium price tag. To get the most out of it, always mount it vertically for best accuracy and glycerin performance. Use the included tape to seal threads, but don't over-tighten. Hand tight plus a quarter turn is enough. Avoid using it with corrosive chemicals or beyond 30 psi to protect the glycerin fill. Store it in a dry, room temperature place when not in use. Overall, the BPSSDI 0 to 30 Psi gauge is a reliable workhorse for homeowners, HVAC techs, and hobbyists. It handles vibration, weather, and basic pressure testing with ease. If you need a precise lab-grade instrument, look elsewhere, but for everyday use, this gets the job done. I'd recommend it to anyone monitoring water pressure, testing airlines, or maintaining small hydraulic systems. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make an informed decision. Happy measuring.